Hi guys, I'm Buck Weezer helping you put the do into do-it-yourself. You know guys, rarely in a video do I recommend a product or suggest that you buy something. But recently, while on vacation, I was introduced to a product that I think every viewer of my channel needs to know about and even own. I'm talking about the FLOWPRO multi-purpose gas siphon. It's the fastest and easiest way to transfer gasoline from a can to your boat, your car, your tractor, your lawnmower, or any other power equipment. So I made a short video with my brother-in-law Steve demonstrating how easy it is to use the FLOWPRO multi-purpose gas siphon. And if after watching it you agree that it's worth having, please do me a favor, use the link in the video description where you can buy one for yourself on Amazon. I'll earn a small commission from that, and so it's a win-win for both of us. Even if you're not interested, I want to thank you for watching the video, and remember, only you can put the do into do-it-yourself, so let's check out the video. Hey guys, it's Buck Weezer. We're putting the do in the do-it-yourself, and I welcome you to another video with Buck's Small Engine DIY on YouTube. And yes, it's another vacation special edition. I want to introduce you to a really useful gadget that you might find helpful. And I'm here with my brother-in-law, Steve, and he's going to introduce us to the FLOWPRO multi-purpose self-priming gas siphon. And this is great for small engines of any kind, not just boats, where you want to transfer gasoline from the can to the tank. So we're here at his boat, and he's going to demonstrate how this works. It's so simple and so effective. It does up to 10 gallons per minute. So there you go. By pulling it up and down, there's a ball, a check ball, sort of like a check valve in the brass fitting at the end that starts the siphoning for you. And now it's going. And at 10 gallons per minute, it doesn't take long to empty that 5-gallon tank. So this is great for tractors, marine, anytime you want to transfer fuel. I'm pretty sure Steve only uses it for gasoline, but any liquid probably you could siphon with it. Certainly water and thin materials like that. But yeah, it's the FLOWPRO multi-purpose self-priming gas siphon. You can get it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description if you want to pick one up. I'm not being sponsored to do this. I just think it's a great idea. I'm going to get one for myself, and maybe you will want to get one too. Really simple. Brass fitting, rubber hose, and there's a ball in there. And that's what allows you to just shake it to get the siphoning action going. So it's simple mechanical siphon pump. I love it. That's pretty good. There you go. And that's it. Thanks for watching. And if you want to get one of these again, it's a great idea. Simple contraption, works great. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.